on Seagull. I was gunning for this campsite. We've been here, or I've been here a bunch. We were all here 2 years ago. I'm really pumped that it was open. And I'm also really pumped because the weather was just absolutely perfect. It was like no wind on Seagull. It took us not a lot of time at all to get here. We're here, we're eating lunch. I dropped my Leatherman. Well, I guess I dropped it. My Leatherman fell out of my pocket in the middle of Seagull. It just fell right into the water. So, Seagull giveth and it taketh away. That just means we're gonna get a lot of fish tonight. Third morning, you know what that means. Pancake morning. Yo!
Lives in a pineapple in the sea. Whoa. Pancake morning. Must be halfway there.
Taylor says at least half the white thing.
Half the metal thing. Yeah, feeling that stuff.
How is that white at all? Is that good?
Yeah.
It's not enough.
More? It's probably good. That
More.
How much is left?
Enough to do that again, probably?
Put in more.
A little more.
No, we can't do it again.
That's good.
Yeah, that's okay. Last full day on trail. We're staying at this campsite again tonight, so we don't really need to get up too quick or anything like that. So we made Kodiak cakes for breakfast, made a bunch of coffee. After this we're gonna go canoe over to the Palisades and hike up to the top of those and get some cool views. Check out the whole place. ride. It's our last day out here. It's been good. It's been really good. We the first day paddling wasn't too bad. It's kind of windy on Seagull, but it wasn't too bad. But it was pretty cold and pretty wet. And then the whole next day was extremely cold and extremely wet. So that was not good. We just kept looking up and hoping that the sun would come out. But then it did, yeah. So that night and then all of yesterday was just absolutely incredible. There was like no wind. The sun was out. We paddled all the way across Seagull like super quick on that. It was absolutely perfect. The temperature was perfect, and we had a lot of fun yesterday. We made a lot of good food and got to relax. I got to do a lot of reading. We got to do a lot of fishing. So then we went to sleep. The one night when it was super wet, it was like in the middle of the night. It was so cold. We were having a really tough time. But last night was really good. It was really warm. Jake woke up really early to do some fishing, but we kind of took our time getting up. And then we made some pancakes, and then we went to the Palisades, which is right there. Hiked up on top of there, and now we're back here just relaxing.
Mocking.
What was that?
Mocking.
Mocking, ham mocking. We're just gonna chill for a bit, maybe take some naps, then we're gonna eat some lunch, and then we're just gonna hang out all afternoon, try to catch a bunch of fish, and then eat all the rest of our food all in one massive meal. This is the afternoon/evening of the fourth night, or fourth full day, and this is our last day here. So tomorrow morning we're going to get up really early, pack everything in, and then clean up everything the way we have to do back at base camp, and then drive home. This is actually a relatively short trip by the standards of what I used to do. But it did the trick. I really needed this. It's just kind of like a hard reset where you stop thinking about everything away from here, work and stuff like that. You just get out here and all you think about is surviving, just getting firewood, making your meals, making sure everything's set up, trying to be comfortable, making sure everything's safe. But it makes you kind of appreciate what you have back at home, and I certainly miss my wife and my puppy. I'm really excited to get back to them and have all the luxuries that I'm so used to, but it's going to come out here to remind yourself that those are luxuries. We're just going to try to have a fun night. Typically at this point in the trip I'm like so hungry, but we planned it out well and we haven't had too aggressive of a trip, and we've been able to eat a lot of good food. That being said, I'm still very excited to eat something that's not dehydrated food. But yeah, here we are. Last night, just trying to have fun, and then trek home early tomorrow morning.